Alright everybody, we're going to get right into this. So today we are going to do a little look with the Naked palette. Just kind of we'll do a little tribute to them since they are claiming they are going to get rid of this palette and not bring it back. I find that hard to believe. But we'll see what happens. So I'm just going to get ready and we're going to use some stuff out of our makeup use up. I was looking for a primer for my eyes in my, there we go, Susan, in my 15 or 13 by Halloween bag, and I couldn't find anything. But then, just look again and you shall find. I did find, I'm using up these Lorac primers. I did not include them in the giveaway with the eyeshadow palettes because I number one, I'm unsure if I had used them before, and it'd be in a cream whatever type thing. I was trying to be good. I know you find that hard to believe. I was trying to be good. So we're just going to pull out a couple of brushes and see what beauties we can come up with this nice little palette. What do you guys think? So it is Sunday morning. The storm has passed. It is beautiful and sunny here. So I need to call my mommy in a little bit. Check on her. We went to see my little cousin yesterday who just graduated from basic training and has arrived at an installation very close to me here. So we went and spent a few hours with him yesterday. It was super fun. I'm so proud of him. I just can't tell you, you know, these kids don't have to join and they do, and it's a beautiful thing. You know, we got to remember our army is an all volunteer army right now, and has been for a long time, and yeah, joining the military knowing that you're likely going to be deployed or sent into an overseas operation. It's probably not an easy thing to do. I can't imagine it's easy at all. Alright, so I went into Naked and just put that all over my eyes. Then I'm going to go into Buck, which is a little bit darker here, this one, and we're going to use it as a transition. Everybody's been sending me nice little notes about my nails. I like my nails. Thank you so much. This color is a new color for OPI for the season. I do not know the name of it, but I'll put it down below or up here when I edit. I started to get like a light pink color, and my nail girl, she's super great, and she has no problem telling me that's not right. That's no good for you. That's what she tells me. And I just, you know, it's nails. It's like my hair. They grow out. It's not forever. Try it. You might like it. Alright. So now, I think I'm going to go back into go down to Dark Horse right there. And we'll put that in the outer part of our eye. Kind of sticking with the browns and bronzes, and this Dark Horse is a shimmer shade, but I don't really care. I think this is another IT brush. Sorry, that's my dryer. I'm trying to do laundry. I've been doing laundry for days, and I need to do some cleaning today. Just a wee bit, just a little touch up. Because tomorrow it's back to work and it's going to be a crazy week. Another one. So, but it keeps you busy, you know. I'd rather be super busy than nothing to do at all. Alright, I'm going to go in with Smog. That's right there. And we'll put that down on our outer part of the eye, maybe. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. You know, this Dagnabbit palette, I tell you what, I don't use it forever. It's supposed to be in my project palette, which I have 2 going. I probably shouldn't have 2 going, but I put it on and I'm like, dang, you are a beautiful palette for a reason. Crazy thing. Alright, then I'm going to go into Sidecar, which is this color right here. Now, no, I cannot see the names. I just know them. It's just a known for me. I cannot tell you how many times I thought about getting rid of this palette. And then I put it on. Dang. I mean, it's such a classic. I don't know how they couldn't come back. This is... Because I have so many eyeshadow palettes, it looks like I don't use it. I do use it. I don't use it as much as I should, but I do use it, and I'm going to hang on to it. Probably going to take it out of my project pan because they're getting rid of it. Alright, I'm just going to go in with this Glam Glow. This is the little sample of it. This is the one that is the... glow starter. It gives a little bit of glowiness. It's almost like a lotion, and it smells like orange sickles. I have, you guys know, I have 2 big. I have the mattifying one, which is, this one is not, and then I have this one in the regular jar. Like when it came out, I was at Sephora dying to get it. Alright, we're just going to put some of my Estee Lauder Double Wear. It is in my use up just because it has been with me for a long time and it's probably getting old. I keep telling myself I'm not buying any more foundation until I use up a foundation. Alright, this is my MAC. It is a... I want to say it's a 170. I can't see it that good. That's my MAC foundation brush. It's very dense. Just gonna put it all over our face. Rub it in, rub it in. Can you believe I've never tried that Double Wear concealer? I don't know why. Alright, we're going to use up a concealer. We're going to try. We are getting... So this is doing really well. I was almost full, and it's down to here. And that's from my 13 by Halloween. But we're going to... just... gonna we're just gonna keep putting it on and on and on and on and on. Alright, we'll put a little bit looser brush. I should be using a sponge with this, but I'm too lazy to get up and wet it. I just want to be honest. I like this concealer, but I mean, I think my favorite right now is the new Too Faced one. The updated Born This Way one. That's my new favorite. I'm trying to like speed this process up for you guys. I wish I knew where this foundation was. I think it's like down to here, which is pretty good. It's hard to use that foundation. You're like, no, it's not. Okay. My Urban Decay, this is the Naked Skin. I'm trying to use this up. I don't know how successful I'm being though. A little bit of this goes a long way. A very long way. So today, my wonderful friends at Too Faced released the gingerbread palette. It is on, it came out on their website, sold out immediately. So I didn't get it there, but today, I don't know if it's on Sephora, but it was on Ulta this morning and it was on HSN. I'm just waiting for HSN to put it on Easy Pay because I'm trying to not buy right now. I know. Not buy. Don't buy anything. It's kind of my rule right now. Oh, Lordy. Alright, we're going to go in with a bronzer from my Pan 13 by Halloween. This is one of my MAC bronzers. It is a shimmery bronzer. Yesterday, my cousin, I should look at my hair. I was waiting for her to say, girl, you gotta do something with that hair. I'm gonna have him put a part in it. Because Sarah told me I need a part. She's like, that's really what you need. So, I'm gonna have him put a line all the way. I know it'll be some drama about it. There'll be some drama that comes with that request. Alright, I'm just gonna contour my nose a little bit. See how creepy that eye is? I need to start putting some eye cream on there. That's the eye that's giving me a hard time. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, we are presenting the classic Urban Decay Naked One palette. After 4 years on the market, Urban Decay is retiring the palette for no good damn reason at all. Just tell me to be quiet. I do well when people just tell me to be quiet. Alright, alright. Let me just put a little bit of, we're going to pick out an Urban Decay lipstick. I have a bunch of them. This is going to be pink, I think. I don't want pink. The moment you realize you have like way too much shit, yeah. When you can't see it all. These are Urban Decay. I don't know what they all are. It's horrible. gonna use this Estate Edit. No, I'm not. It's alright. My lips are not cooperating today. We're just gonna go and use Teddy Bear. This is a Milani Bullet lipstick, which I love. It's like my favorite color. Ah. There we go. And that is Teddy Bear. Alright, guys. So this is my look, my kind of, oh, wait a minute. What are you doing, Susan? You're not even done yet. What? Y'all just need to slap me. I don't have brows or mascara. That's like, hold up. Hold up. Wait. Now we're finished. Alright, so there it is. There is the true look with the Urban Decay palette. The original Urban Decay Naked palette. The one palette. Yes. Alright, guys. I love you so much. Mwah.